Okay, we're at 600 subscribers. Just gone past 600 subscribers. I'm testing out the Mafia electric bike. Brakes all right, you know. Zoom X-Tech brakes need a bit of adjusting. They are otherwise all there. Just quickly do a video of what this thing looks like. It's very much in the mock-up stages. That lack of editing and stuff, we're just point and shoot kind of guys here. Now, apart from the water on the lens of the camera, you can see the bike is pretty much complete. I do need to tidy all this up big time though. It's just sort of hanging there in the breeze. I've got to make some brackets up and stuff like that at work. The car hasn't been running for the past week. It is now. It needed new belts, and you know how critical it is to replace those belts. I've got the Zoom X-Tech brakes on here, or brake rather, and I'm soon to fit a suspension fork to this as well, as well as a freewheel and a chain. So yeah, there's the box. I'll put the camera back in the GoPro holder, like so, and yeah, off we go. There's no officer down there, I hope not. Right, what's happening, I guess. Very, very wet though. It's wet. It's really wet. Ooh, those Zoom brakes are not good enough. That needs a bit of adjusting. Oh dear. I'm not even doing 30 mile an hour. Alright, it's reasonable. That 35-40 needs a better motor really to get a bit more out of it, but
I'm guessing the brakes are off.
Yes.
I generally just saw you.
I was like, oh crap. Yeah, no, I need a bit of adjustment, but that should be alright. I'm going back to do that now, they're a bit lethal.